Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you recently went to Subway and found out the Subway Vinaigrette was discontinued in 2021. No worries though, because I got you covered. You're going to be able to make that vinaigrette from home and you won't be left high and dry, literally speaking, with your Subway sandwich. You may find I'm using different ingredients in this video, but I have all the correct ingredients in the description. What you're going to need is 3 parts oil and 1 part vinegar. So if you take 3 ounces of oil, add 1 ounce of vinegar, and then you're going to use your mustard as the emulsifier. For this video, you'll see I'm using pure mustard, but you can use Dijon, which is the preferred mustard, and we'll have it tasting closer to the final result you're looking for. For the seasoning, I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, basil, parsley, Italian seasoning, sugar, sea salt, and that's about it. It's a pretty easy vinaigrette to make from home, and it's a really easy to make vegan substitute for salads that you might have, or just whatever you want to put this on. It's really just great. Use it for everything. You combine everything together, and then you shake it vigorously. Make sure it's nice and shaken. And there you go, you got your Subway vinaigrette. Thank you all for watching, and enjoy responsibly.